Easy peasy calculation of pi to 500 plus decimal places. My motto: plain honesty, simple truth, easy understanding. The joy of finding things out for yourself. Today, there is nothing very irrational about root 2 or pi, except the irrationality of hoping to program a computer which will come to the end of such a process of getting nearer and nearer to its goal before the Earth has become too cold for human habitation. From Mathematics for the Millions by Lancelot Hogben. On Wikipedia, and searching pi, you will read in Motives for Computing Pi. Despite this, people have worked strenuously to compute pi to thousands and millions of digits. This effort may be partly ascribed to the human compulsion to break records, and such achievements with pi often make headlines around the world. What effort? What crap? Under infinite series, you will read, in Europe, Harvard's formula was rediscovered by Scottish mathematician James Gregory in 1671 and by Leibniz in 1674. This formula, the Gregory-Leibniz series, equals pi over 4 when evaluated with z equals 1. In 1699, English mathematician Abraham Sharp used the Gregory-Leibniz series for z equals the reciprocal of root 3 to compute pi to 72 digits, breaking the previous record of 39 digits, which was set with a polygonal algorithm. The Gregory-Leibniz series for z equals 1 is simple, but converges very, very slowly. That is, approaches the answer gradually, so it is not used for modern pi calculations. Also under irrationality and transcendence, we have not all mathematical advances relating to pi were aimed at increasing the accuracy of approximations. So billions of digits equates to advancement? So let's put some meat on the bone, and voila! Pi calculated to 500 decimal digits using precise calculator and the Gregory-Leibniz infinite series expansion for z equal to the reciprocal of root 3. The result for the series expansion, which took 45 milliseconds and required 520 iterations for 500 digit accuracy, was identical to precise calculator's inbuilt pi function, which took only 3 milliseconds to complete. The program is simplicity itself, and the only variable that needs to be changed is the CNT variable, which controls the number of iterations, and which in conjunction with the precision setting, here shown circle red, sets the number of digits displayed. And the final slide shows the simple program, which took all of 20 minutes to write. So go to sourceforge.com and download Precise Calculator and try it for yourself. Out of curiosity, I used Precise Calculator's inbuilt function to print pi to 100,000 and to a million digit accuracy, taking just 8 seconds and 852 seconds respectively. If you think about it in a rational way, one soon realizes that Abraham Sharp back in 1699, when he calculated pi to 72 decimal digits, a monumental task of manual calculation back then, had to all intents and purposes calculated pi to infinity. Since using the self-same series, it has been shown to be true for 10, 100, 500, and therefore as many digits as time and your computer will allow, all the way to infinity. All subsequent attempts have been but shallow attempts to glorify an important yet otherwise ordinary natural mathematical constant, and in the process unjustifiably exalt the intellectual elitists who carry them out. What they bring to our knowledge of pi is simply nothing, as their meagre offerings have no bearing on the unchanging digits already obtained. Just like the solar dust constantly peppering the earth has no significant effect upon its mass.